Now to Florida and the story of a miracle baby. Keishera and Greg Joubert learned at 19 weeks of pregnancy that their preborn son had a thick membrane blocking his airway. This condition is usually fatal. The Catholic couple turned to prayer and to medical experts. And in Orlando, their doctor had a bold inspiration. The doctor decided to bring out baby Cassian's head and arms via C-section at 25 weeks, remove the blockage, then place him back in the womb. Weeks later, baby Cassian was born, this time for good. More than 24 medical professionals performed an additional surgery to ensure his breathing outside the womb. Through prayer and miraculous medical work, baby Cassian survived. EWTN's Alyssa Murphy says one thing in particular struck the Catholic family about their doctor.
With other headlines these days, it was a really nice, reassuring moment when Keishera told me that when she met with Dr. Vlastos, the words terminating pregnancy never crossed his mouth. Which is just as a mother, how much that means that little baby Cassian was treated like a patient, even in the womb. And then also, if you've seen some of the viral video going around of the couple, they actually did most of their interviews in front of their mantle that also had a really cool icon of Jesus Christ, an Eastern Orthodox icon that was given to the family back when they lived in Boston, when they were just dreaming of being parents. And so they really take, it's just, this story has become a really awesome Catholic pro-life love story.
Alyssa adds that baby Cassian is now 9 months old and a few more procedures await, but he is home and overall doing just fine.